there. So today I am trying to get out of town. If you know, then you know that our trip got cut short because I had to go help take care of my mom who's in the hospital. But we were really stocked for a big long cruise, so there's a lot of things that I need to deal with. And one of them is all of these jalapenos. Now I know it's not summer, but that doesn't mean we can't pickle some jalapenos. You can do this all year long instead of buying already jarred pickled jalapenos. But I thought, we've already done a video for pickling jalapenos. Let's make some cowboy candy. And cowboy candy is pickled jalapeno that's really sweet, which is why they call it candy. Now I have just under a pound of jalapenos here. Most recipes for cowboy candy call for 2 cups of sugar per 1 pound of jalapenos. I've even seen them call for as much as 3 cups of sugar for a pound of jalapenos. And I think that's a lot. I think that's a whole lot of sugar. Now, what I'm going to do is, I have done 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar. I like to go on the plus side because I'd rather have a little extra syrup than too little. And I'm just going to cut back on that sugar a bit. I think that is a whole lot of sugar. But for my real sugar, for my pure cane sugar, I'm going to do 1/2 cup. Because you still really need your sugar if you're going to make this a simple syrup, which is basically what we're doing. And then I'm going to switch it up and I'm going to use date sugar. And date sugar, they just take dates, dry them, and then ground them up into sugar. So there's nothing else involved here. And I probably without, yeah, I can see that. And you can see the ingredients. It's just dates. That's it. So this is going to help add that sweetness that we're looking for without all of that sugar. I always like to taste. And it tastes good. Now, is it as sweet as cane sugar? No. But it has a really nice flavor. So I think this is just a great alternative than having all of that sugar. And then I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, or more. However many comes out, I guess, is how many we're going to do. And then I'm going to do 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds, again, or more, and turmeric. And I'm just going to let this come to a boil, and I'm looking for that to boil for at least 5 minutes. So I should have my jalapenos cut in that time, and sometimes I'm smart and I remember my gloves, and I do recommend that you wear your gloves to cut your peppers. And then just cut your peppers just like you were going to pickle them. Just like that. And as soon as this is cooked about 5 minutes, then we're going to add our peppers into it. Now, I will say, if you're just pickling, I would guess it's a little bit simpler, because when I'm just making my pickled jalapenos, I don't add the jalapenos in there and cook them. I just make my syrup and pour it over my jalapenos. So it is a little bit simpler, but these are really good on burgers or on your charcuterie board, or even if you chop them up, kind of like a relish for hot dogs. That's really good. Or you can do that kind of old school where you just do the block of cream cheese, and you could just chop these up and put it on it as a dip. So they are really good, but you know, with that much sugar, how could they not be, right? But again, this is just, you know, the grocery store always has fresh jalapenos. So even if you can't make it to a farm stand or you're not growing your own, it doesn't matter what time of the year it is. If you're out, pick one jalapenos in your fridge. It's just so simple to do it yourself. And you don't have to can them. Honestly, you know, they're going to last 6 to 8 months in your refrigerator. Now, if you've seen my pickled jalapenos, I always like to sneak some thin carrot sticks in there because they really are good. Billy loves jalapenos way more than I do. My favorite is the poblanos, but he loves jalapenos. But then he loves munching on those carrot sticks too. But I kind of think you could do that here too. Probably be pretty good, wouldn't it? Now I think with Cowboy Candy, it's really thick because there's so much sugar. So it really does make a really thick syrup. And we're not going to see that. You're not going to see that kind of a thick syrup if you do a substitute. Because you could substitute maple syrup here. You could substitute your honey. You could substitute, your monk fruit, whatever substitute you like. But you're not going to get that real thickness. But I think you're going to cut back on a lot of sugar. And I don't feel like you are sacrificing flavor. So now this has been going for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add my jalapenos, and I'm going to let them cook in here for another 5 minutes. So because we're back here and it's cold and the window's fogged up and there's just nothing to look at, I've been keeping the line down because it makes the lighting better, and there's just sadly nothing to see out there. So I'm going to use my little spider here and add my jalapenos to my jar. And I'm hoping this jar will do the trick. Now, what I'm using mine for tonight is I'm stuffing some chicken breast with like cream cheese and some of these, and then wrapping it with bacon. Here comes the jalapeno man himself. Doesn't that sound good, baby?
Of course. You're my wife.
So if they all don't fit, that's okay. I'm just going to keep them out and use them for that. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I think the rest is going to fit in the jar. Okay, now pour your syrup over. Doesn't it look pretty? I like how the turmeric always makes it look pretty. And let's remove some of these air bubbles. Now, if you were canning, if you did want to can these, 10 minutes in your water bath. But I'm just going to put mine in the refrigerator. So we're going to, isn't it pretty? So we're going to let this come to room temperature, and then we're going to put a lid on it and put it in the fridge. And am I brave enough to have one? He left already. I should make Billy taste one. Here's to pickling, canning your jalapenos, no matter the season, wherever it is, and just start making them your own. Cheers to Cowboy Candy. Is that what it is? Jalapeno candy. Cheers to jalapeno candy. It's hot, but it's good.